Good morning, students. Welcome back to the Savers Academy channel, Education for the World of Difference. I hope आप सभी बिल्कुल सही हैं और हम प्रार्थना करेंगे कि हम सभी के लिए ये सब बिल्कुल सही रहें. क्लास शुरू करने से पहले I would just like to inform you, कुर्सियों की पेटियां बांध लें और I'm watching you. Please हिलिएगा मत. So let's begin today's class, and your class is. So today we start with chapter 2, addition and subtraction. We had in the earlier classes completed exercise 2.1. हमने पिछली क्लासेस में एक्सरसाइज 2.1 और उस बेसिक्स 3 डिजिट एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन को हमने करा था, एंड वेयर वी आल्सो डिड 3 डिजिट एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन, वर्ड एप्लीकेशंस. नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विद एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन एंड 4 डिजिट्स यूजिंग प्लेस वैल्यू. प्लेस वैल्यूज हमने पिछली चैप्टर में वी हैव स्टडीड दैट व्हाट आर प्लेस वैल्यू, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. These are the place values. Okay, and how we need to add and subtract using place values. So let us start our today's class, and we'll start with the example that is given. The postman delivered 535 letters in the month of March, 1212 letters in the month of April, and 1022, that is 1022 letters in the month of May. How many letters were delivered altogether in the 3 months? Let us now go back and look into the example. So what we see over here is that postman has delivered 535 letters in the month of March. So March में कितने letters दिए? 535. And in the month of April, 1212 in the month of April. April 1212. And if we see in the month of May, that is 1022 letters in the month of May. You can open up your books afterwards and you can just check it, and in the video you can just rewind and see the question. So how many letters were delivered altogether? कितने letters total deliver करे थे? So हम देखते हैं letters delivered in. Letters delivered in March, letters delivered in April, letters delivered in May. So total letters delivered, total letters delivered. अब हमने एक चीज़ पढ़ी थी कि जो यूनिट वैल्यू होती है उसी से एड अप होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल आई कैन राइट हियर all the numbers, that is 535, 1212 and 1022. क्या मैं इसको ऐसे ही ऐड कर दूँ? If we write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, क्या मैं इसको ऐसे ऐड कर दूँ? क्या 535 में ये यहाँ पर रहेगा? नहीं, ये आगे शिफ्ट होगा. सो हम इसको आगे शिफ्ट करते हैं. 535. सो सारी यूनिट्स प्लेस वाले प्लेस या वंस प्लेस वाले वन से ऐड अप होंगे, टेंस वाले टेन से, हंड्रेड्स वाले हंड्रेड से, एंड थाउजेंड्स टू थाउजेंड्स. सो वी ऐड वंस प्लेस फर्स्ट. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Tens place is also added. Hundreds place, 5 plus 2, 7, plus 0, 7. And 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 2769. Is this the answer? Right. अगर आप इसको इस तरह से कर दोगे 1212 1022 and 535, तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 3 5 and 7, 5 plus 2 7584. This is not the answer. This is the correct form. आपको थाउजेंड, हंड्रेड्स का एंड प्लेसेस का ध्यान रखना है. प्लेस वैल्यू जो नंबर की होगी उसी से आपको ऐड करना है. जो नंबर की प्लेस वैल्यू होगी उसी से आप ऐड करोगे. लेट अस सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 इन द बुक. हम नीचे देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. So we have example number 1 here as add 2025 131 1331 and 3203. Let us add these in our digital notebooks. Okay, so just uh, get your minds and add up these questions and add up these examples and come and solve with me. So now if we see on example number 1, we have add 2025 comma 1331 comma 3203. So how do we add these? So we can add as, first we write the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10 of thousand. Okay, so we have first number 2025, second number 1331, third number 3203. Now we have to add these. Okay, we have to add these. So what is the addition that will come? Let us add it in place wise. हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना, place wise add होगा. Once से add होगा, tens से add होगा, hundreds से add होगा, thousand से and 10,000 से. ऐसा नहीं होगा 1000 100 से add हो रहा है, hundreds tens की place वाले number से नहीं. So let us add 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 3 5, and 5 plus 0 is equals to 5 only. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 1 4, 5 6. So we have 6 5 5 9 as the answer. Okay, so this is how you have to add. So use of carrying in addition and subtraction. Addition of 4-digit numbers. So we have example number 3 here. So isme I will tell you use of carrying. Let us see the example in the digital notebooks. And we are seeing learning here use of carrying and in addition first. Okay, so example number 3. Example 3, we have add 3197 and 2875. Okay, so we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we'll write the number over here. 7 9 1 3, that is 3197 and 2875, and addition sign, and then we'll do. So what we have, 5 plus 7 8 9 10 11 12. So whenever we have 12, we have a number 12. इसमें ones place पे कौन है? 2. So we'll write 2 over here. और जो बाकी 10 था वो 1 जो है वो हम कैरी में दे देंगे यहाँ पर. ये 1 चला गया यहाँ. 12. 7 plus 9 is 16. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 plus 1 17. अगेन हमारे पास नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आया? 17. वंस प्लेस पे कौन है? 7 लिख देंगे. एंड कैरी प्लेस पे 1. सो 1 इज द कैरी. सो 1 इज अगेन अ कैरी. 17. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have ones place पे कौन है? 0. and carry place पे कौन है? 1. So 1 again carry पे चला गया and 0 आ गया यहाँ पर. Okay. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. So this is your answer. इसी तरह आप कैरी करोगे। नेबर को, लेफ्ट वाले नेबर को हमेशा आप ऊपर कैरी में एक नंबर दे देंगे जो कि 10th प्लेस पे आपका एडिशन में आएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द theory of carrying in addition. We will see one more example. Example number 4. Add 2572 2498 4312. So now we move to example number 4 and we have add 2572 2498 and 4312. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Position values आप हमेशा लिख लें and then you write according to the position value the number under the position value 4312 2498 and 2572. इस तरह से आपको नंबर लिख लेना है and then you will add. अब आप ऐड करोगे कहाँ से? राइट हैंड साइड वाले नंबर से या फिर वंस पोजीशन वाले नंबर से। वंस पोजीशन वाले नंबर को आपको फर्स्ट ऐड करना है। सो 2 + 8 10, 10 + 2 2 + 8 10, 10 + 2 12. सो आपका पहला नंबर आया 12। यूनिट्स प्लेस पे कौन है? 2, तो 2 हमने लिख दिया और कैरी में जाएगा टेंस वाला लेफ्ट वाले पड़ोसी के पास। ओके, सो वी हैव 1 एज कैरी और वो चला गया है पड़ोसी के पास। सो नाउ 1 + 1 2, 2 + 9 11, 11 + 7 18. वी हैव अनदर नंबर 18। यूनिट्स प्लेस पे कौन है? 8 एंड 1 गया कैरी में। ओके, ओवर हियर 1 + 3 4, 4 + 4 8, 8 + 5 9 10 11 12 13. 3 यूनिट्स प्लेस वाला यहाँ पर एंड कैरी में कौन जाएगा? 1 टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्टनर। 1 + 4 5, 5 + 2 6 7, 7 + 2 8 9, 9 3 8 2. So this is your answer. So this is how example 4 has to be done. And now we move forward and we have subtraction in 4 digits. Again we'll have carry in this section. Okay, let us see how we'll ask for carry, what are the procedures and what we will do. Okay, so let us dive into the example number 5. Now we have example number 5 which states that subtract 1256 1256 from 2574. So 2574 minus 1256. Okay, so what we have forgotten over here is that we have to write the number values also, place values. So we'll write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we'll leave the place for carry. Okay, so 4 minus 6, is it possible? क्या छोटे में से बड़ा माइनस हो सकता है? नहीं। 4 cannot be subtracted from 4 minus 6. Okay, 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So now we have to see option. So what we'll do, 4 जो है अपने लेफ्ट वाले पड़ोसी से, सबसे लेफ्ट वाला पड़ोसी कौन है? 7। इससे रिक्वेस्ट करेगा 1 देने के लिए। So 7 will be giving 1. So अगर मैं 7 में से 1 ले लूँगा, 7 के पास कितने बचेगा? 6, right? So we have 6 over here and 7 आपको 1 दे देगा. So 4 will become here 14. Okay, so 4 you can write it over here as like this 14. इसको कट कर दो, इसको लिख दो 14. 4 बन गया 14. 14 minus 6 is possible. Count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 8. Now 6 minus 5. It is possible. 1. 5 minus 2. It is possible. 3. 2 minus 1. It is 1. So your answer is 1, 3, 1, 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 5, 6. If we subtract, okay, 2, 5, 7, 4 minus 1, 2, 5, 6 equals to 1, 3, 1, 8. So this is your answer. Okay. We will see one more example, example number 6, and we'll see how we use carry over here. So now we have example number 6 that states that subtract 2357 from 4000. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We have first number 4000 minus 2357. Okay, is it possible 0 minus 7? No. छोटे ऊपर अगर नंबर है एंड हम बड़े में से छोटा सब्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, छोटे से बड़ा सब्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो वी हैव टू गेट अ बोरो. हम बोरो लेंगे. अब किससे लें? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाले पड़ोसी से. ये खुद भी ज़ीरो है. सो लेफ़्ट वाला क्या करेगा? अपने लेफ़्ट वाले से पड़ोसी से मांगेगा. वो बोलेगा आप दे दो, इनके पास भी नहीं है. अब ये लेफ़्ट पड़ोसी अपने लेफ़्ट पड़ोसी से मांगेगा. सो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव ओवर हियर इज़ this 0 will be taking 1 from 4. It will become 3. This 0 will become 10. But now 10 will again give to this padosi, so it will become 9. This will become 10. This will again become 9 and it will become 10. So now हुआ क्या? Left hand side, if we go to right corner 0, right corner 0 asked borrow from left corner, so he was not having. Left again asked from left corner, the neighbor, so he was also not having, and the left neighbor asked from again to the left cornerest corner one the neighbor. We have 4, so 4 given 1, so 3, it become 10, and then 10 again given 1 to the right hand side neighbor, it becomes 9. And then 10, this 10 again gives 9. This 10 again gives 9. Again gives 1. It becomes 9 and it becomes 10. So this is the whole story. So now 10 minus 7, it is possible. It becomes 3. 9 minus 5, it is possible. It becomes 4. 9 minus 3, it becomes possible. It becomes 6. And 3 minus 2, it is 1. So your answer is 4000 minus 2357. Answer is 1643. So these are your application based questions. Now we move to example number 7. Let us jump in and see how it has to be done. First, read the example number 7. School A has 3256 students. School B has 4745 students. How many students are there in all? Let us see. So this is example 7, and these are application based questions. So we have to read first again. School A has 3256 students. School A has 3256 number of students, and school B has how many students? 4745 students. So how many students there are in all? So total number of students he is asking. The question is asking for total number of students is equal to students in school A plus students in school B. So your answer lies over here only. You have to add both the students, both the total number of students. So we have 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 6. I'm sorry. 3, 2, 5, 6 and 4, 7, 4, 5. So when you will add ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 goes for carry, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 goes for carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 1 goes for carry, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So your answer is 8001. So total number of students are 8001. Thus there are 8001 students in the schools. Now we move to example number 8. As we have seen how we have to add, now we see any other application questions based on subtraction. My school library has 8,735 books. Out of these, 2,736 are in Hindi and the remaining are in English. How many books are there in English? So we have to find the books in English. Let us see how we will find. So this is example number 8, another application based question. So my school library has 8,735 books. Out of these, 2,736 are in Hindi. So total books is total number of books. So what we have, total number of books are 8,735 and number of books in Hindi, number of books in Hindi is equal to 2736 and the remaining are in English. So number of books in English is equal to total books minus Hindi books. Yeah, books in Hindi. So what we have, total books is 8,735 minus 2,736. So let us write 8,735 minus 2,736, and what we have got over here is 5 minus 6. Is it possible? 5 minus 6? No, it is not possible. So we'll ask a borrow from the left neighbor. It becomes 2 and it becomes 15. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9. Okay, so 2 minus 3, it is possible? No. We'll ask a borrow again from the left neighbor. It becomes 6 and this becomes 12. So now 12 minus 3, 9. Again 9. Now 6 minus 7, it is possible? No. Again it will ask for carry from the left neighbor. Left hand side neighbor becomes 1 minus, that is 7, and here it will add 16. 16 minus 7, it becomes again 9, and 7 minus 2, it becomes 5. So your answer is 5,999. Thus there are 5999 books in English. So this is your answer. So this is how we will subtract and we'll do application based questions. Do it yourself. Now these two questions you will do by yourself in your copies in online self work OSW. And in the next class we will do exercise 2.2. We will solve exercise 2.2. These 2.2 questions you have to do in your OSW. I will give you a particular answers of all these questions and then you can do that in your classwork. आज आपको exercise 2.2 और इस पेज पे ये दो questions जो दिए हुए हैं वो अपने आप करने हैं. Exercise 2.2 and these two questions. So this is your chapter 2 getting over subtraction and addition. Thank you class. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet and please save your playlist so that whenever next video comes it comes to you first. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, stay safe, stay at home.